We'll guide you through how to compare Claude and Cursor effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official websites of both Claude and Cursor. Once you're there, take note of the core features each platform offers. Claude, often recognized for its AI-driven guidance and contextual assistance, usually excels in providing detailed insights and personalized recommendations. Cursor, on the other hand, is typically celebrated for its speed and fluid navigation, which can be crucial for users who prioritize efficiency. Next, dive into the user interface of each. Pay attention to how intuitive the layout feels. With Claude, you might notice a more structured and comprehensive dashboard that offers a lot of customization. Cursor might appeal more to those who appreciate a minimalist design with straightforward access to essential functions. Now, check the compatibility with other tools you use. Claude often integrates seamlessly with various productivity apps, enhancing its utility in a professional setting. Cursor, being lightweight, might work better with systems that require rapid processing and minimal lag. It's important to also consider customer support and community feedback. Claude usually has a robust support system and active user forums that can be quite helpful if you encounter any issues. Cursor users might appreciate the quick response time and updates based on user feedback. Finally, think about cost versus value. Compare subscription plans and any additional costs, like premium features or support packages. Consider what aligns best with your budget and needs. This thorough comparison should help you decide which platform better suits your requirements. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.